Welcome to Loomly. In this video, you will learn how to subscribe to Loomly. You can subscribe to Loomly at any time. Just visit the Billing tab of your account and select the plan you need. From the subscription page, add your credit card information, billing details, and select your preferred billing cycle. Note that Loomly offers monthly and yearly billing options. Monthly plans offer the most flexibility, while yearly plans bring you peace of mind and a nice 25% discount. You can update your billing information at any time. In particular, the Advanced Options section allows you to fill in details about your company, such as company address and VAT number. All your billing details will be displayed on your receipts. You'll receive a receipt by email upon each successful payment. All your receipts are also available for download in the Payment History section. When you need to invite more collaborators to your team, connect more social media accounts to your calendars, or access specific premium features, you can upgrade your plan at any time from this same billing tab. Upgrading is seamless for you, as our payment system automatically prorates any remainder from your last payment, so you never overpay. And that's it! If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team either through our chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this tutorial. You should be ready to subscribe to Loomly. Log into your dashboard now.